The first article we found was that World Health Day 2025 spotlights maternal and newborn health. And they announced that Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures is the theme for World Health Day. And it really focuses on improving maternal and newborn health. It also comes at a critical time, Amy, as you well know, that when maternal mortality rates have stalled or worsened in many regions, with the vast majority of deaths occurring in the poorest countries and those facing conflicts.
Yeah, I think that this is so powerful because as we know just purely from the states, maternal health is so important. And that's just purely on our level. The global level, especially with conflicts that we can't even begin to imagine, obviously impact healthcare in so many ways. But, females are 50% of the population. And I think that just having the spotlight and awareness on what other nations across the world are facing is just important to keep in mind as we try to do our part to really improve the health across the entire world.
You and I talk often personally about access and equity, the ability for people to get care when and where they need it. It also shows the disproportionate impact of maternal mortality on vulnerable populations.
Yeah, and I think, as rollbacks to humanitarian assistance potentially jeopardize this lifeline for millions across the world, it's an opportunity, as you talked about the funding standpoint, to really be able to have other organizations step up. There is an organization called the PRISM Initiative, where they are actually leveraging philanthropic advising to address the root causes of global challenges that women face, like maternal health. So I think that while we are seeing some potential funding withdrawal, I think this is a great opportunity for other organizations to be able to really, put their money where their mouth is, to be able to drive the change and support that we need from a maternal health standpoint.